Hi there, and welcome back. In this video, we will discuss the art of watch collecting and share some tips and tricks for building a timepiece collection that you can be proud of. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, this video is for you. Before we dive into the specifics of watch collecting, it's important to understand what makes a watch collectible. There are several factors that contribute to a watch's collectability, including its rarity, age, brand, and design. Vintage watches, for example, are highly collectible due to their age and scarcity, while limited edition watches are sought after because of their exclusivity. Luxury watch brands such as Rolex, Patek Philippe, and Omega are also highly desirable among collectors, as are watches with unique or innovative designs. One of the most important aspects of watch collecting is determining the value and authenticity of a watch. This can be a tricky process, especially if you're new to the hobby. Some key factors to consider when determining a watch's value include its condition, rarity, and historical significance. It's also important to be able to recognize the signs of a fake watch, such as incorrect logos or markings, poor craftsmanship, and low-quality materials. If you're unsure about the authenticity of a watch, it's always a good idea to consult with a reputable watch dealer or expert. Now that you have a better understanding of what makes a watch collectible and how to determine its value and authenticity, let's talk about how to build your collection. First and foremost, it's important to set a budget and stick to it. Watch collecting can be an expensive hobby, so it's important to be mindful of your spending. You can also start small and gradually build your collection over time. Focus on collecting watches that appeal to you personally, rather than simply following trends or trying to impress others. Finally, don't be afraid to do your research and seek out expert advice when building your collection. So, where can you find watches to add to your collection? There are several options to consider. Online marketplaces such as eBay or Chrono24 are great places to find vintage or limited edition watches. You can also visit watch dealers or attend watch auctions to find rare or highly sought-after pieces. Finally, don't forget to check out local watch shows or events, where you can meet other collectors and dealers and discover new watches to add to your collection. In conclusion, building a timepiece collection is a rewarding and enjoyable hobby. By understanding what makes a watch collectible, how to determine its value and authenticity, and where to find watches to add to your collection, you'll be well on your way to building a collection that you can be proud of. Remember to stay true to your personal tastes and budget, and don't be afraid to seek out expert advice along the way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.